Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your TikTok drafts all at once. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and then go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now you want to click on drafts, and you can see a select button at the upper right corner of your screen. So just go ahead and click that and choose all of the videos that you want, or you can just click select all here at the upper left side of your screen. And now you can see the delete button at the lower part of your screen, so just go ahead and click that. And if you are sure about your actions, just go ahead and click on delete. So now, as you can see, my TikTok drafts is now deleted. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.